In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to add past transactions using Excel. Once you import your asset, to measure the ROI, you need to add actual transactions. Click on the Import button to open the import modal. Choose the import type as Better Capital Excel. You can click the Excel template button to download a sample template. When you open a template, you'll see some sample data. You can go ahead and add all the different transactions you have made in the given format, and save the file. Go back to the transaction import modal, and upload the file you saved. Once you upload it, we'll parse the file and show all the data you entered in a table for review. After review, click Import to import transactions. That's it. You have successfully imported past transactions now.